To welcome all our distinguished guests for being here with us on this auspicious occasion. Madam, this battalion was established on the 13th day of January 1982 on a plot of land measuring 55.32 hectares overlooking the Ganon River, about 13 kilometers away from Tura. The site acquired comprised of 4 Nokma Akan plots, which at the time were mostly inhabited by wild elephants and covered by thick bamboo forest.
Jauh di sini. Jangan tekan. Tekan bangga ini. Kalpet tu. Step.
From 3rd Battalion Meghalaya Police, RC John Kelvin Nongput. Throughout his training, he maintained a good discipline. Therefore, he is awarded the best in discipline. RC John Kelvin Nongput.
Keibrian kumia mandi tentang apa sih macam ini
Madam. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Idashi Shanongrang, IPS, Director General of Police, Meghalaya, to address the newly recruited constables.
Speech.
Good morning again on this beautiful and glorious morning to all of you here. Shri M.G. Raghavendra, Deputy Inspector General, Western Range. Srimati C.A. Lingwa, Deputy Inspector General, TAP. Jerry, my commandant for the 2nd Battalion. Senior officers, guests, invitees, parents and family members of the constables who are passing out today. And of course, my dearest constables, welcome to the Meghalaya Police family. As I stand here before you this morning, it brings back so many memories. Coming to Goira Grey is always a very joyful occasion. The Thunder God has really been good to you, and it is with His blessings that we now stand on this gloriously beautiful, bright, sunny morning. Till yesterday, the commander tells me it was raining and you had to scramble to bring the parade ground to such a perfect condition. The weather has been very kind to us today, and let us take this opportunity to renew our dedication. And as for you, the newest members of the Meghalaya Police family, to remember that what we take from here today is what will stand us in good stead in all the years ahead. I am so proud to see 140 of you passing out today. It is with great pleasure that I take this opportunity to commend and congratulate the Armed Police Training Center, the instructors who have put in so much effort to ensure that the drill is of such a perfect standard and the discipline is also so very, very impressive. As you pass out of these hallowed precincts today, let us remember that the journey for you has just started. It is a long journey ahead, and in a journey in which you will face many challenges, many things that have not been taught to you in the training center will come up and put you in a quandary on numerous occasions. But remember, in the same manner that you passed out and the same manner that you carried on in the last 11 months, a little bit more than 11 months, that you have been here in the training center, these challenges are there for you to overcome. Remember that whatever the challenges, the choice of what you're going to do depends on what you have been taught. You will be faced with challenges and in situations which can create a lot of disturbance, a lot of quandary in your minds as to what is to be done and what is not to be done. The choice you make will be a reflective of the principles of the training that has to be imparted to you. That is why I feel that instructors play a very, very crucial role in ensuring that the cadets, the constables, or even the followers who come in for any kind of basic training are imparted the right set of values. I am so happy to hear that you have also been given exposure to a lot of soft skills. The challenges that are there before us are very, very different from what was there nearly 40 years ago, more than 40 years ago when the battalion was first started. You are the 37th batch of recruit constables passing out today. In all these years, more than 40 years, the battalion has been in place. A number of things, a number of your own fellow colleagues have gone ahead to achieve numerous plaudits for the state and for the country. A number of them have also laid down their lives, have sacrificed their lives at the altar of duty. We remember them with sadness, but also with great reverence in the fact that they made the ultimate sacrifice. I am sure there will be instances.
Demo dong đâu? Sama naman. Yan last mas. Bisa jen. Ya hui gino. Bisa jen. Bisa jen apa? Sinba अनुमति चताहन को जो itu saya sama mereka kuat keluar anjuk pede ya
दीक्षांत परेड निष्क्रमण की ओर धीरे चल से कुछ करते हुए मैदान के बीचों बीच की ओर से आगे बढ़ते हुए प्रत्येक जवान बारी बारी से माननीय मुख्य अतिथि को सम्मानित करते हुए दीक्षांत परेड निष्क्रमण की ओर प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं। धन्य है वो माँ, वो पिता, वो गुरु और विद्या प्रगान जिसने अपने सपूत और सुपुत्रियों को देश के सेवाओं में अर्पित किया और जिसने तन मन धन से अपने मातृभूमि के सेवा प्रदान करने के लिए संकल्प किया। धन्यवाद।
Praise to those mothers, fathers, teachers, and institutions who have sacrificed their daughters and sons to serve the state and the nation.
Cuma tami bama.
Ibagin, dia dong.
Oh, betul kaya.
Dongin, dia.